Okay, we're going to do some kitchen improvements today. We're looking at the top of some kitchen cabinets. And we want to create space on top of these cabinets by putting in a shelf. And what we're going to do is we're going to remove this crown molding and then create some nice shelves to fit on top of it, and we'll try to recreate a 45-degree angle or kind of a crown molding appearance when we're done with it. And it'll just make this space much more functional and accessible, and we want it to look good too.
Wow! Wow! That is amazing!
Right? Okay, got the crown molding off, and of course it's left a little exposed old finish on top there. We had a little bit of trouble getting the old nails out, and what we did is some of them we were able to pull out with channel locks. Some of them the best we could do was break them off right at the wood and hit them in flush with a hammer. Then we scraped that whole surface with a painter's knife or scraper and tried to smooth up the edges best we could. We'll clean it up now, and then we'll get ready to cut some boards. Okay, so we've completed cutting the second board on top there, and we've sanded it, and again we've done our overhang. Again, you can see the top one here, that's 5/8, so the distance from here overhang out's 5/8. This one down here is 3/8, overhangs 3/8. We're going to come back and we're going to nail it down, and we'll get a nice good smooth seam all the way across. And then after we get that nailed down, we'll start painting. Okay, got our paint on. Looks pretty good. A little bit of bubbling right there, not sure. We'll use the heat gun a little bit. I might have to sand that. Try it again. Ideal the perspective there. Looks awesome.
Wow! Wow! That is amazing!
Right?
Oh my gosh! Really?
What do you think,
And
Lilia?
it's just like a big flat thing up there?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh! I had no idea what you guys were doing today. Wow! Wow! Oh, that looks so much better.
Right?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That looks so much better. Wow. Did you see that? Yeah, you can see it.
I saw it. I saw it.
I can't even believe that. I just can't even. It looks so much better than it did before.
What?
I'm not saying it while you're recording me.
Why not? What are you gonna say?
Nothing.
Yeah, I definitely am not recording right
I'm
now.
not saying it.